Hello everyone, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. So I just have a quick update for you. The article is coming from Cord Cutters News. The link will be down below in the description. So by now, most of us are aware of what's been going on with YouTube and how they've been strongly trying to block ads from, a lot of the big browsers such as Chrome, Firefox. Some of the smaller browsers, consumers are able to still see ad-free videos. At some point, their developers are going to wise up and be able to probably create a script to block those as well. You might have a little time before they get to that. It does take more time to hit smaller browsers as there's so many small browsers, ones that even their developers may not be able to think of right away. But with that being said, YouTube hasn't stopped at just trying to block ads. They're going further than that. Even if you're willing to compromise with YouTube and say, okay, I'm going to pay for premium so I can watch ad-free videos, they're okay with that. However, that premium account, according to YouTube, is for you and you only. If they catch you sharing that account with someone else, they are not going to be happy about that. So much so as if they catch you, they will apparently try to contact you via email or I guess a notification through YouTube, and they will ask you to stop sharing the account with someone else. Otherwise, if you do not respond, they will put your premium account on hold until they can figure out what to do with you. So quickly, a Google spokesperson said to touch on the ad blocker situation. They said that the use of ad blockers violates YouTube's terms of service. They've also said that they've launched a global effort to urge viewers with ad blockers enabled to allow ads on YouTube or try YouTube Premium for an ad-free experience. They said that ads support a diverse ecosystem of creators globally and allow billions to access their favorite content on YouTube. All right. But also, they're saying that YouTube Premium has started to contact users who appear to be sharing their premium subscriptions with others. In the emails, an example can be seen. I guess there's a link to Reddit here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And here we can see the message. Confirm your email address to avoid losing YouTube Premium access. There was someone here who was contacted and it says, you are currently in a YouTube Premium, formerly known as YouTube Red family, and we need you to confirm that you meet the eligibility requirements. Unless we hear from you, your YouTube Premium access will be put on hold for 14 days. All YouTube Premium family members must live in the same household, residential, and as the family manager. So, all right. So it looks like the biggest deal here is when you try to share it with someone that is not within your home. So if they're in the same address, I guess they're okay with it for now, right? But if you tried to share it with, say, a cousin or a sister that does not live at your address, YouTube is not going to permit it. So keep that in mind. It's very important for you guys to know. It looks like as long as you share it with someone that resides in the same exact house, you can get away with that. You try to share it with someone outside of your address, YouTube finds out, they will contact you and you might lose your account. So basically, this is just an update to let you know how far YouTube is taking this. Obviously, we're going to continue to see this type of behavior until something gets resolved. At some point, YouTube might start to lose a lot of customers. People might get fed up. They're paying $14 a month for premium because they can't use ad blocker no more. Many may decide to take a break from YouTube. At that point, if that happens, YouTube will probably have to come to terms and figure out a way to keep customers satisfied while still being able to make ends meet to pay their high-end creators. Pay attention to what I said. High-end content creators. It's not the small channels like this one here. We're talking about content creators that have millions of subs and multi-million views. Okay, those are the ones that YouTube is upset with because the customers that watch those channels, there's missed opportunity. When you have millions of views and let's say a video gets 2 million views and maybe half of those people are using ad blocker, YouTube is very upset because they've lost probably 1 million potential customers to show ads to. You know, when you're a smaller channel, your views aren't that high, they don't really care that much. It's the big channels that they're feeling it with, you know, and they're paying those big creators a lot of money as well for those views. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you are aware of what's going on. If you didn't know that this was coming, just be advised. Make sure you keep your, password sharing in home. That's only going to be temporary as well, to be honest. I think at some point they're not even going to let you share it with anybody other than yourself, but we shall see. As always, thanks so much for stopping by and watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.